The Supreme Court is all set to hear the NEET controversy and the various cases on this on July 8th. Chief Justice of India, Chandrachud-led bench is going to hear these cases. The Supreme Court, remember, reopens after the summer break on July 8th. And on the first day, it was going to be this important, in fact, controversy around the NEET examination that the Supreme Court is going to address. Let me go across to my colleague Sunil Prabhu, who is joining us with more details on this. Sunil, the Chief Justice, as soon as he comes back from the vacation, the most important issue concerning the students at this moment in the country, NEET, will be on the top of the agenda.
That's right. It is going to be on the top of the agenda. It's something that is really causing a lot of concern for the students as well as the entire body. So it's in that context that it will be important to see what the Supreme Court finally says on an important aspect like this. So definitely all eyes on the Supreme Court. Chief Justice of India will be heading the bench along with the two other judges to really take stock of the entire situation. There have been a series of petitions on a daily basis in the Supreme Court. And on a day-to-day basis, they have been saying we will take and hear this matter on the 8th of July, refusing to give any stay or, stop the counselling. But definitely asked and, a lot of questions to the NTA as well as the government. And hopefully they'll be able to come and explain their position. And the Supreme Court will look at the entire issue in its entirety and give some relief to the students and others who have been petitioning the Supreme Court, because this involves, the future of students in particular. And if they, as the Supreme Court had pointed out during the vacation bench, if there is even a 0.001% chance of any discrepancy, then you need to address those concerns, because what happens if they have become doctors and so on and so forth. And this has, of course, opened, as you're well aware, Ankit, to a plethora and a Pandora's box in terms of examinations or various other aspects which have made the government look at it and review it afresh.
Thank you so much, Sunil, for joining us with all those details. That's an important story, and NDTV will keep you, in fact, ahead as far as that story is concerned. Moving on.